How to pay hotel in booking.com. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can pay in hotel on booking.com, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So there are two ways to pay hotels. One is you can book right now, later on visit the hotel and then pay them in that way, which is cash, or else you could just pay them directly from the booking.com app. And to do this, all you need to do is just open up the booking.com application, then select a specific place where you want to book, click on search. You'll be able to see a list of available places. Just select a specific place that you want to book, and then you can just click on the see select rooms option. Once you select a specific room, just select and customize, just click on select and then just click on reserve button. Once you click on reserve, it will show you a list of available prices here, and then once you see a list of available prices, you can enter your phone number and then you can select add missing details. If it asks you to pay later on, you can pay, or you can also book now and then pay them later on when you visit the hotel. This is how you can simply pay for hotels in booking.com. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.